To customize always on display on the Realme 16 Pro, you have to open the settings for the first, and right now you will have to go into the home screen, lock screen and the style settings. Now when you swipe up and go for the always on display, first of all let's change the display settings. So as you can see, we can show or hide this information like notifications and the battery level. Next, when you go back, we can also get the contextual information. Like for example, we can get music playback information. So if you often listen to the music and you don't want to unlock your phone, you can control music straight from your lock screen by enable this feature. Now by going back, we can also show new notifications on the always on display if you receive them. And there's the display mode that I can recommend you to switch for the all day, because then it will be like a real always on display. When you go back, we can find all of those themes. So here we can find custom themes. If you want to set your own photo and your own text always on display, you can do this by selecting your picture. Below we can find other system options, like for example this kind of the one, so with the battery indicator, but also we can set the classic analog clock, or for example we can even set animated always on display theme, and you have to click apply. You can even change text of the color. So as you can see, it's pretty advanced and we can change here a lot of things.